AI. It's an interesting vocabulary, but as long as you don't know how to use it in this industry, it's useless. So in this video, I have two different ideas that I'm gonna achieve it by connecting one of the most powerful video and image generator to one of the most powerful AI, and then do these two things. Try to make some insane footage for my SaaS animation and see is it possible to make some insane advertise for anything and surprise my client by some high quality voice. But first of all, you need to give this ability to your Claude, because Claude by itself cannot generate anything. So that's the time that we comes up with the Higgsfield MCP. So in this way, Claude will be your brain and Higgsfield gives it hand to bring those ideas to reality. And for this, you just need to open up your Claude, go inside your setting and open up your connector. Over here, you need to grab Higgsfield MCP and connect it to the Claude. Choose a name and drop the MCP link over here. And that's it. Right now you can ask Claude to generate whatever you want. So basically for the first step, I have a high quality image that I found it through the internet. But this one is completely raw and it's useless for me. And the things that I'm gonna do over here is just adding one more reference to my prompt, because the things that I'm gonna apply in my raw footage is this outlines and these shapes that you see through the mountain. And I'm gonna exactly apply this effect inside my raw footage that you see. Basically right now there's nothing on it. And because I'm gonna make it really accurately, I also attach this reference to make sure that everything will be happen exactly how I want. And I also prepared a long prompt that it will exactly explain every single detail that I'm gonna add to my footage. You might think that we have to do something more, but actually that's it. You just need to enter it and wait for the result. So while you're going through this process, probably it asks you some permission. So don't worry about that and just allow those permissions. Awesome. It takes a little bit of time from me, but as you see, it's exactly what I want. And the good thing is, if you click over here and go through the showing folder, you can see all the works that Claude done for you. And the reason that I'm showing it to you, because you already have a clean map from your footage. And you might think that how we can use this and why this matter for us. Basically, by using these assets, you can create some insane visuals inside your footages or your videos. You can literally mask your footages just by one drag and drop, or you can use them as a map to do some blur or some creative effect which they follow and accept this map and mask. But I don't want to go through it right now. The reason that I made this frame is because right now I'm gonna turn it to some video. I'm gonna use my prompt that I prepared it for my motion. Basically in this prompt, I'm trying to do some dolly zoom inside this frame and make it a little bit realistic. Because if you're gonna use these type of asset inside your videos, you need to consider a little bit more depth inside the images or the footages that you're gonna make in it. So at the end of this, because I'm gonna let Claude know that I want it to generate some video for me, I'm gonna add this at the end of this prompt. And then let's try it and see the result. So as you see, so far it was able to make two different versions of my image, which is kind of more compatible to the result of video that I want. Because over here, as you see, the reference that we have has really sharp borders and sharp lines through the mountain. And we don't need it actually. We need something more cinematic and more realistic. And this is amazing how Claude and Higgsfield was able to generate and remake this image from scratch and make it much more better. So let's just allow Claude to go through and make the video. So as you see right now, Claude trying to use C-Dance, which is a video generator inside Higgsfield, to do the dolly zoom inside our frame. And the cool things about this system is it's fully automated, and also it has audio, and the duration is exactly what I want, because as you remember, I mentioned that I want a 10-second long video, and also the frame rate and stuff all are accurate and exactly what I want. And watch this. Actually, if I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't expect something that much clean. It has the borders and the outlines that I want inside the desert, also has a sound design on it. It's crazy. And this is a guarantee for us as a motion graphic artist, which we're always gonna be able to find the best asset and the best b-rolls and videos for our motion. And this is insane. I do have a footage for my next video, and it just takes about 10 minutes from me. And in that 10 minutes, I didn't even work on something. I just drop a prompt and everything automatically made with the Higgsfield and Claude. And for the prompt side as well, you don't need to even use any extra software or extra tool. You can just open a new task through the Claude and just type whatever you want. It doesn't matter, are you going to explain it in English or in your own language? Or even it doesn't matter, are you going to explain it clean or you just drop whatever you have inside your mind? I have one more idea that if it turns to a real video, I don't know what to say actually. At this time, I genuinely try to make this process as hard as possible for Claude. This is my Funko Pop that I have it in my room. I just took an image from it and I'm dropping it as a reference. I just want to do something crazy. I'll literally type this out just right now by my own. And as you see, even the grammar is not that much perfect. I just asked Claude to go through the TikTok and find the trends. And based on those trends, make some really great video which is compatible with TikTok and just try to showcase my Funko Pop. I know it's literally crazy, but let's see what Claude will be able to do. It asks some question from me. Let's do some stuff like that. But actually, I'm gonna go for a video script. I'm gonna let it know I want you to generate a full TikTok video and also a full campaign doc. Where are you selling this Funko Pop? Online store. Let's go for online store actually. Oh, no way. Let's go for ASMR, dude. That's a clean idea. And that's what I'm talking about. Sometimes you might even not have any idea for your video, but like genuinely can recommend you some dope ideas. It seems that Claude was able to find the trend of TikTok. And by itself, this is super crazy. So actually, I was trying to make just one frame of an ASMR video. And look at this. The hairs on a hand or even the hand by itself. And just see the detail. I literally just dropped an image from my Funko Pop, which was from the front face of my Funko Pop. But I literally imagined it in a 3D space and it recreated in a 3D space. Do you see how accurate the sound design is? As a motion designer, if I'm gonna sound design something like this, it takes a long time from me. On the top of all of those videos that it gives to you, we do have some campaign strategy that it genuinely customize it for yourself, and it gives you a summary about what you have to do, all the analytics from the trends that it found from 2026 TikTok trend, the reusable video formats, and you don't need to do it even by yourself. You just need to read this information and understand it, and then again open up a new task and do some new prompt. And the thing is, all of these information that you see comes up from a research, from the trendest ideas and trendest strategy that it exists inside TikTok right now. And because I'm pretty sure you guys are also interested to use this new feature, you can just check the description and use the first link inside the description to be able to test this new feature. Also, you do have some free credit that you can use them to test this new feature. And that's it. I think after this video, you're never gonna think about how you're gonna find your footages and your asset again, because you have a greatest strategy for it. And like always, don't forget that your best support will be a subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to check the link inside the description or the comment and test this new feature. And like always, I'll see you in the next video.